Good morning, students. My name is Kanchan Bala, and today we are going to start our new chapter, Agreement of Verb with Subject. What is the subject-verb agreement? For making a sentence grammatically correct, a verb must agree with its subject in number and person. A singular subject takes a singular verb, and a plural subject takes a plural verb only when subject is in third person. Okay? When subject is in third person, singular subject must have a singular verb and plural subject must have plural verb. Let's see some examples. The dog barks. In this sentence, we have a singular subject, dog. So we have to write here singular verb, barks. In another sentence, the dogs bark. Here we have plural subject, dogs. So we have to write here plural verb, bark. It shows a singular subject takes a singular verb and plural subject takes a plural verb. Let me show you a chart to clear the concept. Look at the chart. Here we have a singular subject of third person, he, she, it. With third person singular subject, we use singular verb, speaks, is, was, has. In next column, we have a plural subject of third person, they. With they, we have to use plural verb, speak, are, were, and have. Is it clear to all? The verb am is only used with the pronoun I. The verb and its subject in a sentence must agree in person. How? Let's see the chart. With first and second person, we use plural verb, and in third person, with she, he, and it, we use singular verb, and with they, we use plural verb. As the chart shows, I read, we read, you all read, he, she reads, they read. Here, I and you are considered as a plural subject. According to the next rule, the verb is plural if two or more singular subjects are joined by and. It means when we have two or more singular subjects that are joined by and, the verb must be plural. Look at the examples. Rahul and Sachin are playing cricket. Here we have two singular subjects, Rahul and Sachin, and both are joined with and, so we have to use here plural verb, that is are. So the answer is Rahul and Sachin are playing cricket. Next examples, cotton and jute grow in India. Here we have two singular subjects, cotton and jute, and they all are joined with and, so we have to use here plural verb, grow. Another example, he and I are cousins. Here we have two singular subjects, he and I, and both are joined with and, so we use here plural verb are. He and I are cousins. Next rule, the verb is singular if two singular subjects separated by and refer to the same person or thing. Means when we have two singular subjects that are separated by and refer to the same person or thing, in that situation the verb is singular. Let's see the examples. My friend and guide happens to be my brother. Here we use friend and guide, both for one person, that is brother. So here we have to use singular verb happens. That's why the answer is my friend and guide happens to be my brother. Next examples. The poet and philosopher is dead. Here we use word poet and philosopher for one person and joined with and, so we use here singular verb is. Next, the magistrate and collector has come. Here we use magistrate and collector for one person and joined with and, so we use singular verb here has. Next rule, the verb agrees with the first noun or pronoun when the subject consists of two nouns or pronouns joined by with or as well as. It means when a singular noun or pronoun is joined to a second noun by with or as well as, the verb is in singular. The verb is in the singular. Example, my father with his brothers has brought some land for farming. Here we have first noun father and second noun brothers joined with. So here we will use singular verb has. So the answer is my father with his brothers has brought some land for farming. Next examples, Sita with her sisters was present. Here we have singular subject Sita and another subject sisters. Both are joined with word with. So we use here singular verb was. So the answer is Sita with her sisters was present. Next, the chief with his men was killed. Here we have singular noun chief is joined to a second noun by with. So we use here singular verb was. So the answer is the chief with his men was killed. Next example, iron as well as gold is found in India. Here we have singular noun iron is joined to a second noun by as well as. So we use here singular verb is. So the answer is iron as well as gold is found in India. Next rule, the verb is singular. When the verb is singular? When two or more singular subjects are connected by or nor. When we have two or more singular subjects connected by or nor, we have to use singular verb there. Same like that, when we have two singular subjects that are connected by either or neither nor, in that situation we have to use singular verb. Is it clear? Let's see the examples. Samay, Vijay or Naveen organizes such events regularly. Here we have singular subjects that are more than two. Samay, Vijay or Naveen, and all are connected with word or. So the answer is Samay, Vijay or Naveen organizes such events regularly. See some more examples. Tom or Peter is to blame. Here we have two persons, two subjects, Tom and Peter. Both are joined with or, so we use here singular verb is. Next, either Bali or he was past. Here we have two subjects, Bali or he. Both are joined with or, so we use here singular verb has. Next, neither Rama nor Hari was present. Here we have two subjects, Rama and Hari, and both are connected with neither and nor. So we use here singular verb was. So the answer is neither Rama nor Hari was present. Next rule, if two subjects connected by either or neither nor are of different persons, then we use the verb that agrees with the subject nearest to it. It means if two subjects connected by or nor are the different numbers of persons, the verb agrees with the subject nearest to it. Is it clear? Example, either you or your brothers are lying. Here we have two subjects, you and brothers. And brother subject is nearest, so we use plural verb here. Because brothers is a plural subject and it is nearest to the verb. So we use here plural verb, that is are. So the answer is either you or your brothers are lying. Next rule, in sentences beginning with here and there, the subject is placed after the verb. It means when we have a sentence that starts with here or there, in that situation, subject is placed after the verb. Is it clear? Look at the example. Here are the notebooks and the pencils. Here we have subjects after the verb, notebooks and pencils. Here we have plural subjects. So we use here plural verb, that is are. If the sentence starts with each, everyone, everybody, anyone, anybody, someone, somebody, nobody, no one, in that situation the verb is singular. Here we use singular verb. See the examples. Each of the girls has long hair. Here we have sentence that starts with each, so we use here singular verb. So the answer is each of the girls has long hair. Next examples, each of these boys is intelligent. Here we have boys, but sentences start with each, so we use here singular verb, that is. So the answer is each of these boys is intelligent. Next, every one of them is wrong. Sentence starts with everyone, so we use here singular verb, that is. So the answer is every one of them is wrong. Next rule, if the sentence begins with much or a little, then the verb is singular. Example, much of this topic has already been discussed. Sentence start with much, so we use here singular verb, that is has. So the answer is much of this topic has already been discussed. Next rule, the verb is plural if the sentence begin with many, a few, several, both. Means when any sentence starts with many, a few, several or both, in that situation verb will be plural. A few of my friends are joining me at the camp. Here we have a sentence that starts with a few of my friends. So here we use plural verb, that is are. So the answer is a few of my friends are joining me at the camp. Next, several of these boys were not able to do this sum. Sentence starts with several, so we use here plural verb, were. Next, both the boys have failed to do this sum. Sentence start with both, So we use here plural verb, that is have. Next, many of these boys have not done their work properly. Sentence starts with many, so we use here plural verb have. So the answer is many of these boys have not done their work properly. Let's do some more exercises. Exercise 1. Fill up the blanks in the following sentences with verb in present tense. First, 30 days dash September. Subject is days, that is plural, so we have to write here plural verb make. Second, the news dash true. Here subject is news, that is singular, so we have to write here singular verb is. Next, there dash been many showers today. Sentence start with there and subject is after verb showers. So subject is plural, so we have to use here plural verb have. 4. A large number of boys dash got copying. Here sentence start with a large, so we have to use here singular verb has. 5 number, the father of these children dash an engineer. Here subject father is singular, so we will use singular verb is. Next exercise, exercise number 2. Fill up the blanks with the verb in agreement with its subject. The cow as well as the horse dash grass. Here we have two options, eat and eats. Sentence has as well as, so we will use here singular verb. Next, the cost of all the articles dash risen. Cost. Here we are talking about cost. Subject is cost, so we have to use here singular verb has. Next, neither his father nor his mother dash alive. When we have neither and nor in sentence, then we use singular verb. So we write here is. Number 4. Bali, Harry and Ashok dash the same school. Here we have three subjects joined by and, so we use here plural verb attend. Next, the governor with all his staff dash arrived. Here subject is governor, is a singular noun and joined to a second noun by with. So here we use singular verb, that is has. Next exercise, write which word is correct. Number 1. All the boys in our school dash to the river to swim. Here we have plural subject boys, so we will use plural verb go. Next, dash these children's mother ill. Subject is mother, that is singular, so we will use here singular verb is. Number 3. The quality of these mangoes dash not good. Subject is quality, so we will use singular verb is. Next, number 4. Most of the people living in that little village dash farmers. Here subject people is plural, so we will use plural verb are. Next, this is the only one of his novels that dash worth reading. Here we are talking about only one of his novels, so we will use here singular verb is. Next, neither of the two girls dash allowed to sit on this bench. Here we have word neither, so we will use here singular verb is. Next, either John or his sister dash to blame. Here we have words either and or, and when we have these words we will use singular verb, so we will use here is. Next, neither of them dash invited to the party. Here we have word neither, and with neither we will use singular verb. So we will use here was. Next, every one of the prisons dash full. Sentence starts with words everyone. So we will use here singular verb is. Next, few people dash able to keep a secret. Sentence start with few. So we will use here plural verb are. So the answer is few people are able to keep a secret. I hope you understood the topic. Thank you.